Hey there, what's going on? Welcome to a new epic challenge, my sexy friends. This specimen was kindly donated to me recently from a Texan man whose name shall remain undisclosed for legal reasons. Yeah, sports a healthy complexion. Weighs about 48 ounces. Yeah. The insignia here seems to denote its allegiance to the felonious Screw drug cartel. The uniform is definitely characteristic of one of their unpaid worker drones. Yes. I clock it at around 3 p.m. here, so with that in mind, let us begin the autopsy here. Gosh, certainly is a frisky one. Well, now that we got that little puppy open, let's see what's inside, shall we? What do we have in here? Hello. What is this? A dainty copper? What could this be doing in here? What else are you hiding? Let's find out. I can hear something jingle-jangling in here. Dickens? What is all this? Yeah, it's probably fine. I'll pay it no mind. Yeah. Very intricate workings inside this one. The bone structure is fascinating. Look at all those. Look at those facets and the way it kind of interlocks. It's very almost mechanical in its nature. Yeah. I wasn't aware they were such complicated creatures, these, what are they, from Among Us? I don't know. Yeah. Very, very intriguing. Oh my god, did you just see it move? What else we got in here? Some, like, spent lateral flow tests? They're still relevant, right? A pre-owned copy of the New Testament? Okay. A limited edition miniature of the Aerospatiale BOC Concorde airliner? Oh my fuck, I think it moved again! A fire extinguisher, sanitary towel, various pins. My fucking shit, did you see it? It moved, it fucking moved! A, frankly adorable novelty bird pen. Fucking... stars. A copy of the critically acclaimed game Damned vs. the Establishment, available at all great retailers. A near mint Pikachu card. A near mint Yoshi pencil topper. A near mint... A Funko Pop of an incredibly marketable character.